Hello guys, welcome back to One Tree Legend. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, we're gonna take off. We're in the air now. Let's go up to the max height. What happened? It was just sunny and it just got cloudy after. Anyway, yeah, back with another brand new drone flight. It's a really nice day here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do what we usually do, the 360 photo, max height. Explore the area around us. Look at that, it's a really nice
max altitude reached.
location. We're gonna stop recording. We'll do a 360 photo. Alright, so the 360 photo is complete. We'll go back to video mode and record normal video. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check this, we're gonna do an orbit shot of this road. Let's go down this area and explore. So this is an area called Leytonstone. We're going to do a full explore. Look at that, it's mad. Really nice shot. We're going to circle this as well. Alright. What we're going to do, we're going to come back now. I'm going to follow the cars, the road. And follow that bus. There's McDonald's over here. Let's follow that bus. I could do an automatic shot, but I'd rather do a manual one, 60 FPS. Let's follow it. This is one of the best shots I've done actually. I'll follow it down here. So my shots are just getting better and more cinematic. Just look at that. It's golden hour right now. Or in a 360 loop. What we're gonna do now, let's get top down shot. We're gonna follow the bus top down. I haven't done this before. Wow, this is some nice shot actually. I should do more top down shots. Let's just follow this. I'll follow that car over here. Alright, let's follow a car back to where I am. It's coming back slowly, so look at that shot, it's amazing. No, let's get more low down shots this time. Coming a bit lower, and we're going to get a low down shot of the bus. Let's explore this area. And it's low down. It's much better low down. Alright. Let's start heading back now. Let's explore this area. The Tesco over here. See, golden hour, nice shot. It's really, really amazing. Let's go somewhere I have not been before. So I haven't been down here. Let's explore this area. I wonder what that is. I have no idea what that is. Anyway, we're just gonna go. Just gonna carry on here.
Max altitude reached.
There's also 2 buildings down here. Let's check that out. We're gonna go too far. It's really amazing though, this shot. I might go down there next time and do a shot over there in my next drone flight or my next few drone flights. Just gonna carry on getting a shot of that. We're gonna go a bit too far, so we're not gonna go that far. We're just gonna stay here and come back. Just gonna get footage of this. Really nice autumn colours. I mean, it's nearing the end of autumn. We're nearly in December. Let's go follow the bus. The one that you can hear right now. It's the one I'm focusing in the middle. Let's follow it. Really amazing shots with the trees and the road around it. Look at that pond. Let's go close to that pond. I've not been there before. So we're near that building, that side. We're gonna orbit this pond. So I'm standing in the best spot where you get views of everything. Pond, roads. I'm gonna orbit this pond. I'm gonna get a low down shot of it. Maybe in the next flight, I'll find the pond and do low down shots of it. Alright, let's do a top down view of the pond. Oh, we lost signal. Alright, I think it's returning to home. Alright, we're returning to home now. Let's let it return to home so I don't lose signal again. This never happened to me before. Like, usually I lose signal. Let's stop it now. I don't want to annoy the. I don't want it beeping in the video. It's gonna come back manually. Usually when I lose signal, I usually get signal immediately again. But I think when I turned the drone around, I lost signal, so it started to return home automatically. So we've got some nice shots. Nice autumn shot. Alright, 25%. We're gonna land now. And we're gonna get low down shot as we go along. Let's get one last view of this area. Golden hour shots, the best shot. Best time to shoot your drone. Best time to shoot video with your drone. Fly a drone. About 20% now, we're just gonna get one last final shot. See the traffic.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Alright, let's land the drone now. We're gonna get one last shot of the bus. Alright, let's land it and hand grab it. Let's get a shot of the tree actually. I just want to get this final shot. Quick shot. Reveal shot. Oh, that's amazing. That's so sick for a low shot. Right, just land it now. Alright guys, that was my amazing drone flight. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed that one. Thank you for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one.